Spotlight on America exclusive investigation found more than 50 pesticides inside children's school lunches earlier this year. Now, federal officials are raising concern over those ingredients and the risk of chemical exposure to children. Spotlight on America's Lisa Fletcher has more on this.
This fall, Spotlight on America released exclusive test results showing what's really in school lunches. Everything from pesticides to heavy metals, dangerous ingredients that could harm developing children. Now, a key member of Congress is taking action. U.S. Senator John Fetterman can't believe we're even having a conversation about the safety of school lunches.
I would never be okay with a school lunch that I wouldn't feed to my own children. We should all demand that.
Families across America rely on school lunches to nourish their children. In fact, 30 million kids a day depend on them. But there's a blind spot that we uncovered when we sent school lunches to a testing lab. We found dozens of pesticides, glyphosate, heavy metals, arsenic 6 times higher than what the FDA allows in apple juice.
It's crazy, and this is what I'm saying. Pure food should be the baseline, and that's an important conversation.
One that was launched by U.S. Senator Cory Booker, who introduced groundbreaking legislation this fall to address dangerous additives, chemicals, pesticides, and heavy metals in school lunches.
I think it is more of a crisis than most Americans can even begin to realize.
Senator Fetterman has joined Booker as a co-sponsor of the bill as Washington braces for a shift in power. But Fetterman says on this topic, there's no room for a change in priorities. And with Robert Kennedy Jr., the frontrunner for Secretary of Health and Human Services, Fetterman sees opportunity rather than opposition.
We have an issue and a problem, and I hope Mr. Kennedy could see your report and just realize, like, hey, you've got people of the other party that are eager. I'm inviting him, hey, we can work together on that.
And there is, no doubt, a lot to work on. Simple school lunches, things like pizza and salad, contained unseen, largely unregulated toxins that have been tied to developmental delays, liver disease, even cancer. Our school lunch tests revealed alarming amounts of harmful pesticides, as many as 38 in one lunch. 23 just on 1 cup of strawberries. Lead, a toxic metal that has no safe level, was detected in every one of our samples. Glyphosate, the world's most used herbicide, commonly recognized as the product Roundup, which is facing litigation over health effects, was also found in every one of our samples. Addressing the problem means confronting the industry alliances that often divide lawmakers.
Sometimes people want to talk about the shiny things. What really can matter more is like the kinds of things that's part of our kids' lives for 5 days a week for 12 years during education. I'm grateful to be a part of this dialogue.
Fetterman is adding to his long-standing fight to make sure all kids have access to school lunches, free of charge, free of stigma, and now free of toxins.
And I promise you, I'm going to activate my network to promote this and to have this. And my dream or my ideal would be that the new administration and the people that are going to be part of this conversation want to take it as seriously as we have.
We sent our test results to the FDA, USDA, and EPA, and none committed to taking action on school lunches. To see more of our reporting on school lunches and more of the test results, go to SpotlightInvestigates.com. For Spotlight on America, I'm Lisa Fletcher.
According to the Food Research Action Center, about 28 million children participated in the National School Lunch Program from 2022 to 2023.